Hey everyone, welcome back to the Serial A to Z. Today we are diving into some of the funniest and most unforgettable moments from the Big Bang Theory. This collection perfectly captures why Sheldon Cooper became one of the most iconic sitcom characters of all time. From awkward social situation to completely unfiltered honesty, Sheldon managed to turn even the simplest moments into comedy gold. One of the highlights is Sheldon Award ceremony speech. What starts as a prestigious scientific event quickly turns into absolutely chaos after accidentally drinking alcohol. Sheldon delivers one of the most bizarre and hilarious speeches ever ever seen on television. His jokes about science are funny enough enough, but then he starts singing the periodic table, roasting other academic department, and completely forgetting that he is standing in front of some of the most respected scientists in the country. It's a perfect example of how Sheldon can be both brilliant and completely unaware of norms at the same time. Another standout moment comes when Sheldon watches the video of his own speech the next day. The realization slowly hits him that he embraced himself in front of everyone. His reaction is priceless, especially when he discovered that the internet has already immortalized the moments forever. The episode featuring Howard in space brings a different kind of comedy. Howard panic about being stuck in orbit, running out of comfort items, and imagining worst case scenario creates some of the funniest long distance conversations in the series. His over the top NXT contracts perfectly with Bernadette attempts to keep his calm. We also get classic Raj moments watching him struggle to talk to women, overthink every possible romantic scenario, and completely sabotage himself is both hilarious and super single relatable. His imagination often creates a perfect love story long before a real conversation has even started. Then there Amy when Amy gets drunk and start speaking her mind, the result are comedy gold. Her interaction with Sheldon and Leonard reveal a side of her personality that fans don't often see. The awkwardness, honesty, and unexpected confidence make these sciences unforgettable. And of course, we cannot forget the group's constant nerd culture debates, whether they are arguing about superheroes, comic book, or scientific theories. They also always find a way to make highly intellectually topics funny and accessible. What makes these moments so memorable is not just the jokes, it's the chemistry between the character. Each member of the group has a unique personalities, and when those personalities collide, the comedy feels natural rather than forced. Sheldon, lack of social awareness, Leonard patience, Howard confidence, and Raj's insecurity, Amy's avocado honesty, and Penny common sense pre- perspective all work together perfectly. So, overall, these scenes remind us why the Big Bang Theory became one of the most successfully sitcoms ever made. The combination of smart writing, unforgettable characters, and constantly funny situation creates a moment that fans still quote every years later. If you are a fan of Sheldon Cooper shows, Howard overreaction, Raj awkwardness, or Amy unexpected humor, this collection delivers everything that made the show especially. Rating 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite Big Bang Theory moment in comment below. See you in the next video. So kindly requested like and subscribe please. Thank you.